Delario hits the ball in, stopped by Laughlin. Farrell hits it, stopped by the goalie. Delario tries to put it in, Delario scores! Goal for the Minute Woman by Izzy Delario. Kent State hits the ball, and save by Carlino.
We have got to do this together. It is all up here right now, 100% right here. You guys just tune in right now and let's finish this game out.
Top of UMass's zone. Sam Carlino makes an amazing slide. And the ball is hit, saved by Carlino, and UMass wins the game and will go on to the first round of the NCAA tournament.
I don't think anybody in the country wants to play you guys right now. But the other part of it is I get so many emails from my colleagues. And again, I don't know why, but everybody loves UMass. Okay, everybody loves UMass. They are rooting for you, okay, because they love UMass, because you're the underdog, because you're a great story. Let's go out and continue to write the story, okay? Come on.